The world of Hyatt is arguably one of the most powerful credit card transfer partners in the entire credit card ecosystem. I have traveled all around the world utilizing the world of Hyatt ecosystem. And in this video, we're going to talk about a historically high offer of the world of Hyatt Chase credit card. Now, before we hop into that content, guys, feel free to smash that subscribe button as it directly supports my channel. And I release credit card content here on YouTube regularly. The World of Hyatt credit card currently has a historically high offer where they are offering 5 free nights in category 1 to 4 Hyatt hotels after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months of opening your account. Now, guys, this is insane, especially if you are not only a Hyatt loyalist, but if you have tracked the trends of Hyatt credit card sign up offers. The Hyatt credit card is notorious for always having not only underwhelming credit card sign up bonuses, but some weird hybrid multi-tier spending offers. With this current historically high offer, if you know how to navigate through the world of Hyatt ecosystem, you can make this one sign-up bonus worth upwards of $1,000 to $2,000. And the best part is that free night credits usually have about a 12-month time span, so you can divide it up into either one big vacation or two separate kind of smaller vacations. So you can do 5 nights in any of the category 1 to 4 hotels, or you can do a 2 and 3 day vacation just on one singular sign up offer. And if you guys seen my other videos, I always love to give you guys tangible results on how you can utilize these free night credits. So I found 3 very valuable offers that I would personally use my free night credits on. The best part about navigating for value in the world of Hyatt ecosystem, especially for this sign up offer, it allows you to navigate based on the category of the hotel. And knowing that with this sign up offer, these free night credits need to fall within the 1 to 4 category, all you have to do is filter out anything above level 4. And the best hotel for my personal travel habits was the Grand Hyatt Golf and Spa in Spain. This is a 5-star resort, guys. The architecture, location, just overall hotel looks amazing. And the best value that I found for my international habits at this time. If we just take a dollar amount for the 5 nights, if you stay 5 nights here with this singular sign up offer, you're going to get $1,327 worth of hotel stays. That's 1.3K off of one sign up offer, guys. To me, that is amazing. Two additional examples, again, in the international realm, because that's where my travel habits are leaning, are the Andaz in Mexico City, which looks amazing, as well as the Hyatt in Berlin, Germany. These are 2 locations that I definitely see myself going back to. And again, teeter around that 1.3K worth of value for one sign up offer. Now that we understand the power of this historically high free night credit sign up offer, let's dig into the specifics of the world of Hyatt credit card, starting with the annual fee. And this credit card comes with a $95 price tag charged every year. And the good news is that some of the specifics of the credit cards makes this easily justifiable even after the sign-up bonus. And the first thing we're going to look at is the multipliers. Now, the major multiplier of this credit card is the up to 9x you're going to get when utilizing this credit card on Hyatt property, as well as the 2x back on other miscellaneous multipliers such as restaurants and fitness centers. Aside from that World of Hyatt multiplier, this credit card isn't going to get much mileage in my wallet because there's plenty of other Chase credit cards that have better multipliers, and I can transfer those Chase points directly into the Hyatt ecosystem. Now, this may be untrue for some people that are either seeking Hyatt status or going for those additional free night credits that require a large amount of spend. But there's other ways to offset the annual fee of this credit card, which is $95, not including the multipliers. The easiest way to justify this credit card after you pay that second annual fee and have spent your sign up offer is with its anniversary free night credit. Similar to the sign up offer, every year after year that you pay your annual fee, you get a anniversary free night credit to spend at a category 1 to 4 hotel. So if we take the first Spain resort that I showed you guys, every year you can get about a $200 to $300 stay just by paying your annual fee of $95. So I have this kind of weird goal in the credit card game where I want to have multiple free night credits spread across about 3 to 4 cards so I can have a definite kind of map of vacations that I can take throughout the year. Another awesome benefit of this credit card is that it comes with Discover status. Now, Discover status is one of those base level statuses within the Hyatt ecosystem, but for a frequent Hyatt stayer like myself, this can get great value. And the biggest thing of Discover status, that it gets you that 2 p.m. late checkout. Now, guys, I've said this in many of my videos. I would trade late checkout for airport access any day. If I can stay in the resort in the area that I'm traveling to longer, I would trade that from being in an airport lounge any day of the week. Discover Status is also going to get you free Wi Fi when available, as well as free bottled water every day on Hyatt properties. So, again, it's not life changing status, but that 2 p.m. late checkout comes in clutch, especially depending on if you're jet lagged or not in certain destinations. With all that being said, guys, I believe this credit card, as well as a sign up bonus, is a slam dunk, especially because year after year, you're going to consistently get value because you're going to get an anniversary free night credit. So if you are a frequent Hyatt stayer, you are essentially getting an advance discount every year just by holding this credit card. Now, for a large majority of us, this is just going to be a Hyatt spender card as well as free night credit farming. But for the people that have large areas of spend, this credit card is actually amazing because of its tiered and additional free night credits. And while the Hyatt doesn't have as large a footprint as other major hotel chains like the Hilton, their hotels in the States as well as internationally are still on the luxurious side. But guys, if you enjoy the content, feel free to smash that subscribe button as it directly supports my channel. And if you want additional credit card content, I got 2 videos right here for you.